Tom check, you got me?
Alright, let's head down this way.
Alright, Moses Lake Sand Dunes. Whoa. This car feels weird right now. Yeah, we got good brakes, that's for sure. I got diff issues though. Woohoo! This car freaking rips. Alright, Pop's had issues. I'm gonna keep going. Oh my god, go faster, man. Come on. Oh my god, the visibility of an X3 is terrible.
White's faster.
You were doing 11 miles an hour through those whoops. Alrighty. Alrighty, going for a quick rip with Pops heading back to camp. Jesus, that's not a fun hole to fall into. God, his car sucks compared to mine. I mean, I have like 3 times the money into it, but still. Oh shit! Oh no! God damn it! God damn it! Shit! No, 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 no! Are you okay? Are you okay? God damn it! Alright. Reassess. No fluid leaking? You don't see any gas or anything, do you? You don't see any gas leaking, do you? Alright, I got the recovery strap. If you just hook it up, I can pull backwards. I should probably go out there and put something there. Well, Pops just rolled. That sucks. Damn it, again. It's the second freaking time he's rolled that car. Alrighty. Pop's got the recovery strap hooked up. Alright, we're flipping it over.
Got an oopsie. Yeah, that just happened. Pops just rolled over a dune. We're out here at Moses Lake, and we're 5 miles into a little fun weekend. So awesome.
Got it.
Pops is going. Woo! Nice. No smoke or nothing. I think we're all good. I don't know. Well, other than some oil.
The cage is crushed.
Oh no!
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, the cage is done.
Oh, you wait till you see it from the front. Go around to the front.
Oh no! Do you have insurance?
Yes. They'll total it.
Yeah, I think we just totaled this YXZ.
God damn it, I'm so sorry. Dude, freaking 5 minutes into this weekend. I was right behind you. Alright, well, that sucks for the Yammers, because car's toast. That car is absolutely totaled. Frame is super bent. Cage is super bent. He can't even close the door or anything. Like, it's bad from the side. It puked a bunch of oil out. It's, yeah. R.I.P. Yammer. Oh, yeah, I can see from back here it's all tweaked. R.I.P. Yammers. You were a good car, but, man, that sucks. I feel so bad for my dad. My poor, poor dad. He works so freaking hard. He's on Social Security. Like, this has been his baby. He saved up for it for years, sold everything to get this car. Man, just heartbreaking. I don't know if we can do a frame swap on it or what. He's got really bad hands. I'm obviously physically limited. This is, it's heartbreaking. I mean, it's still driving, which is nice, but God, this sucks. Anyway, we're gonna still maybe have a fun weekend. We'll see. I'm so bummed for my dad. He works his absolute ass off, and yeah. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll see. This isn't just a car to him. It's not just a play toy. This is, man, he has everything into it. That sucks. Oh, it's smoking a little. Probably just some residual oil onto the header. Oh, that poor thing. Yeah, that front of the cage is just crushed in, which means the frame is bent. Because when you take a hit in that direction like that, it'll bend the frame like crazy. That's why I added the A-pillar supports on my frame for that exact reason. It's like a wall, and he came down off of it, and it stabbed the bumper in, and there was kind of nothing he could do, and then it just went over top. It was so slow. That's why I'm surprised that damage. I was like, oh no, that sucks. Well, alright, let's flip him over. He'll be fine. Okay. Alright, honey. Let's go have fun. Okay. We're gonna go kind of slow and easy, and then I'll go a little faster.
Okay.
Just keep me posted of how you're feeling, okay? How you doing?
I'm okay.
If you need to stop for anything, let me know, okay?
I will.
I'm just gonna go over here, and then I'll hang a left and go through some trails and stuff.
This is so much better than 7 miles.
I told you, that place sucks.
I don't think I'll ever be able to ride there again.
Yeah. Here, we'll go jump this one a little bit.
Oh my God!
We got like 3 inches of air. How you doing?
I'm okay.
What, do you not like the side-to-side stuff?
I don't know.
Okay.
I just feel hot.
Yeah. You can open your shield and put on your sunglasses. That might help.
I think I need a minute.
Okay. Let me, I just need to get over here to the open. Porsche sizzles. Sorry. Okay, thank you for trying.
It's like a jet engine fucking cockpit.
Alright, just keep me updated with how you're feeling. You can close your shield or keep it open. I think probably keeping it open would be better, because then you get the airflow.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna go fast for a second. We're good. I have a really good suspension tuner and I work really hard on my shocks. That's the dune that Dad wrecked on.
Oh.
He came down off of that.
That's a bad place to crash.
Yeah. Let's jump it.
No, I don't know.
Fine.
No, please no jumping.
Fine.
Please.
We're gonna get like 2 inches
No,
in the air.
please don't. God damn it. No.
The rear wheels didn't even get off the ground.
Okay, this is a little scary for me.
Okay, just hang on. You good?
Yeah, okay. Still a little scary.
Just know this is like a third of how fast I could be going in
I
control.
know. I'm just worried that when you go over a hill that somebody else is going to be there.
I mean, fortunately, you can see pretty well out here, especially on hot days like this when it's really dusty. And that's my biggest fear out here. I'm watching out. You okay?
Well, that was something.
That was something.
That was something. I was bracing. I had no idea that it was going to be that smooth. I'm like, oh my God.
Alrighty, going for a little solo rip.
When you get out, give me a ring. I want to check the distance on this.
Copy. Woo! Those are huge! These are when the dudes get weird. Not really dudes, just hills, but... Oh shit! That's why we go slow. Woo! These aren't public trails, and I have no idea what's on the other side of most of them. I've only been here a couple times. Stuff like that, I don't know if that's either a straight up drop or if it's something easy like that I could have cruised down. Whee! That's what pops rolled on. Oh, I just dusted them out. Whoopsies.
Let's go for beautiful sunset cruise. All right, sunset solo rip back to camp. Let's do it. That was fun.
It's like in the fucking sun. That's just right. That's nasty.
Baja Designs, baby.
So, you want to go again?
Yeah, let's go. Quick little night ride with Pops after rolling his car away. I still do think it's total, but the frame is all crushed in, and yeah. But anyway, he's driving it. It's driving straight-ish, so we'll see. He's really intimidated.
Yeah, your outfit's a little odd.
You needed a cowboy hat to really top it off. Okay, light testing. There's the headlights. I still need to adjust them, but whatever. There's the bumper lights. Here's the light bar. And the A-pillar lights. I don't know how it looks on video, but that looks freaking great to me. I'm just gonna roll through these. Oh, there's cars out here. Alright, I'm gonna kind of just head back, I think.
Okay. Took me longer to get buckled in.
Do you want to keep going?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you want to go back on the trails or back on the power line road?
You can try the trails.
Okay.
I'm feeling okay.
Okay. I'll try to steer smoothly. Oh, that ain't smooth. Wait, where's the... Hold on. I'm trying to find the big one.
Part of the issue is that the shoulder straps are still too loose.
Oh.
So I'm like rocking back and forth.
Yeah, I get that.
That's really not helping.
Oh, poor Scott.
I'll turn some of the lights off for her.
You about ready?
All right, we're going on a group ride with Pops, or Pop, I am. Just him and I. Obviously, his car is absolutely jacked. All right, quick ride. About YXZs.
I love them.
That thing likes to find its roof, though.
I love those things. It's so much fun to drive.
Yeah. All right, we out. And that's a wrap on the Moses Lake weekend. Cage is crushed, but otherwise my car's good. I gotta go. I gotta load this thing up. Oh, I gotta help. Thanks for watching. Peace.